If you have not come across a project that is so frustrating, a project that can lecture you an aspect of patience that you have never known, but so promising, a project that is so confused and at the same time so promising with a very bright future, then you are not yet participating in the Sidra project. So in this video, we're quickly going to be discussing some things about the Sidra project and why the claiming is not functioning and what I think about it. And then also we are going to be looking at their latest announcement, because they have dropped an announcement which you need to know as the community. So this video is going to be very informative and interesting to anybody participating in the Sidra chain. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell. We are heading towards 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Make sure that you are coming over to claim. But well, I know you might still end up being like me, because if you look at me, I still have claim tokens right here. I have been struggling to claim my ST tokens right here for the past 7 days, more than 7 days, and still not successful. And it seems this is a lot of people have been tweeting, a lot of people have been commenting on their post and asking them to solve this issue of bug. And I realized that the Sidra team is silent about it. It's not that they are not aware, they are aware of it and they are not actually doing something. Now, what can be the positive thing about this, or what can be what can this stand to mean? To some people, it might look like the project is unserious, but to me, what I see in it is that this project does not want to produce too much tokens to make the to make the tokens to be too much in circulation. So because of that, they are trying to limit the way people mine without necessarily informing people, without necessarily telling the community, so that people wouldn't really understand the potentials and value of this. It is a project that is cooking low key. They are cooking low key without mentioning, and that is why you discover that people that see the potentials of this project are constantly buying to hold. They are constantly buying from people who don't know. People that try to claim and it's not working, and they successfully do their KYC, you see that they are rushing to sell. But while those who are struggling to claim and it's not working, and they know the value of the token, they are trying to buy to keep more, because they know what this project intends to do at the end of the day. Well, that is left to you to do your own research and know whether you can do yours and mine yours and keep and buy more and keep, or you can sell the little that you have mined. But for me, I'm still struggling to mine, and I'm still struggling to buy more as much as I can. And then if you come over to their X account right here, you can see that they have over 350k subscribers or followers on X right here. And then they have made a series of posts in the past 1 day and some hours, so which I quickly want us to look at it, and then you understand what they mean and then what it is for the community. So they actually tweeted a lot of things, and I'm quickly going to go through it. The first post was actually this one right here about smart liquidity, so you can take your time to go through it. So that is point 1. So point 2 is about mining streak and social send, and they say new on Sidra Chain, mining streak to reward consistency, username send for easy transfers and push mining reminders so you never miss a session. Well, it's so funny to me, because actually I've been trying to mine. If we are trying to mine and the mining is not going, so what can we use as streak? Streak is if you are constantly mining without failing, without skipping any day. But Sidra does not allow us to do that. Highest is you mine for a week. After that week, maybe next week it will not mine again. Maybe upper week now it will not continue. Well, that's the stress. That's one of the stress thing they are putting us through and teaching us patience, even when we don't want to learn, whether we like it or not. Anyway, we still learn. So we're gonna learn the very hard way. So the next one is about social sharing. I'm going to skip that. I'm going to skip 4. I'm going to skip 5. So you can take your time to read all of these things that they said right here. So point 8 says send and receive. The sending and receiving is the sending of the Sidra coin, and they say sending Sidra just got better. Recent recipients, transaction notes, spending limits, and then a revamp received page, making peer-to-peer transfers simple. So it simply means that they have run some updates on their sending on the Sidra sending and receiving. So they have upgraded some things that makes it the system easier for us. So you can write notes about what, like for example, when you are sending money, you write a transaction note. So you write a description, what is that money for. So Sidra has updated some of those things. So they are building a banking system. That is why you see that they are putting some of these things into order that are closer to what banking systems run like. So that is what they have tried to do there. And then point 9 is talking about risk scoring, which is more about the KYC port. So now about the KYC, they said that KYC port now features an ML powered risk scoring engine with 15 feature extraction, smarter, faster, more accurate verification decisions. So which simply means that the verification process might be a bit faster now, a bit smoother, and a bit accurate. Well, let's see how it is going to be. Let's see whether they are going to get it correctly this time around, because the Sidra KYC process is not biscuit. Well, for those who have successfully gotten it, congratulations to you. Then point 5 says fraud detection, introducing document forensic on the KYC port, MR barcode verification, cross-reference authenticity checks, and challenges response liveness detection and fighting fraud at every layer. So actually the Sidra chain is building a lot of things. They want to build transparency, fight against fraud, and also one of the major thing about this project is that they want to, it's an Islamic coin, like I've been telling you. They want to build something that they will be able to be giving out loans for free or almost free. And then also because it is a religious coin, they are trying to limit any form of fraud, any form of activities that can go a long way to tarnish the image of this project. And that is why you see that they are focusing more on this KYC. So this actually posted a lot about upgrades regarding to the KYC. Point 11 is still talking about it. Point 12 is still talking about it, and they say KYC port partner portal is here. White label branding, self-service APIs, webhook management and analytic dashboard, and allows domain configuration for partners. So point 13 is still talking about the KYC. Point 14, point 15, and they say point 15 says mass KYC processing, scale KYC processing on KYC port, batch processing engines, biometric hardening, and enhanced fraud filters, and continuous protection for mass approvals. So they are working on mass doing KYC for the community, or for those who have applied or who are in the waiting process. So they say knowledge KYC base still on KYC, and like that, 17 is still on KYC. So they actually hammered a lot regarding to the KYC, which I strongly believe that in the days ahead, the KYC process might be a bit more efficient, a bit more successful, a bit more easier to the community. And then coming down right here, if you look, why is swapping not working? This is a comment from somebody who commented from all of the posts that they made, and they said swap works, please log out then log in. So I got so frustrated. They are trying to say we should log out and log in, that it will resolve it. I got so frustrated because actually I've been trying to mine for the past days and it's not successful. When I saw this, I quickly went to log out and then log in. Since the past, or was it yesterday, I have been struggling with that log in and log out, and it is still not responding. Oh my god, what a headache. What a headache from the Sidra. But it is a project that is actually I call it the Middle East money. Although they are stressing me, I'm still very hopeful, always hopeful about this particular project. I'm not hyping and I'm not giving you too much, it is your choice. I've read a lot of comments from people who say that owning Sidra coin is a financial advice. I will not say that. I will not tell you that. It is your choice. Just make sure that you make right research and right decisions for your future. So that will be all, and that's what I wanted to share with you in this particular video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell. We are heading towards 10,000 subscribers on YouTube.